fine. I'm fine. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys a really yummy and refreshing recipe for a lemon poppy seed loaf cake. Now, lemon and poppy seed is a really classic flavor combination, as well as one of my favorites. So this cake does not last long in my house. All right, let's get started. The first step to making our lemon poppy seed loaf is to whisk up all of our dry ingredients. So here I have some oat flour, and to that I'm going to be adding my poppy seeds, baking powder and baking soda, and some salt. So now I'm just going to whisk it all together. Now that our dry ingredients are fully combined, we're going to be moving on to our wet ingredients. The next step is to mix up all of our wet ingredients. So here I'm starting off with some almond milk, and to that I'm just going to add some plain vanilla yogurt, maple syrup, coconut oil, vanilla extract, lemon zest, and some lemon juice. Time to whisk it all up. Yogurt can have a tendency to stay in lumps, so make sure to really break that down. Now I'm just going to use a stand mixer to put it all together. So to combine our wet and dry ingredients, we're just going to add all of our dry ingredients into our bowl, and we're going to mix it up. Now that our mixture has been mixed until just combined, we're gonna get ready to put it in the oven. So here I have a pan that I've just lightly lined with some avocado oil to make sure that we have no trouble getting our loaf out, and we're just gonna scoop our mixture in. Alright, now that we have our mixture in the pan, we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 50 to 55 minutes. Alright, and here is our finished result. This lemon poppy seed loaf cake is just mildly sweet, making it a perfect addition for breakfast or brunch. Now, if you want to make this recipe at home, I'm going to be listing the exact ingredients and measurements down in the description box below so you can follow along with me. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as ring that notification bell, because I'm going to be posting more delicious and guilt-free recipes once every single week. Bye-bye, guys.